Robbins Financial Credit Union gives you lots of convenient tools for doing your online banking. And today, we're going to look at one of the most basic functions, transferring money. We'll look at transferring money between your own accounts to other Robbins financial accounts and to external bank accounts at other financial institutions. First, let's look at transferring funds between your own accounts. Let's say you want to move some money from your checking account to your savings account. Go ahead and click on Transactions and History, and then Transfer Funds. In the first field, From, select your checking account in the drop-down menu. In the next field, select your savings account. Then, in the next field, type in the amount of money you want to transfer. Now, if it's just a one-time transfer, today's date will automatically appear. But if you want to change the date, you can. But say you want to make a recurring transaction. For example, on every payday, you want to move $100 from checking to savings. You'll need to indicate how often the recurring transaction should happen. If you do want to align with your payday, make sure you select the right option. Then you can pick a date range for which you want the automatic transfer to happen, or you can simply check Repeat Forever. Finally, you can add a quick memo to help you understand what a transfer is for, but this is optional. When you're all set, go ahead and click Transfer Funds. Of course, you'll want to be able to see and manage any recurring transactions you set up. The place to do this is your Online Activity Center. Go ahead and select this from your side navigation within Transactions and History. Within the Activity Center, click on the Recurring Transactions tab. If you've set up any recurring transactions, you'll see them listed here. If you need to cancel a recurring transaction, click on the three-dot menu next to the transaction and select Cancel Series. You will get a pop-up window asking you to confirm that you want to cancel this. You can click Confirm and the recurring transaction will be canceled. Now let's take a look at making transfers to other accounts. Qualifying members can transfer money to or from another Robbins Financial Credit Union account. To qualify, go to the Transactions and History tab and click Enroll in M2M. Just select Request Member-to-Member Access and click Submit. It takes 24 hours for M2M access to be granted after it has been requested. After 24 hours, you should see the member-to-member transfer option in your menu. Once you're qualified, you will be able to easily transfer money between member accounts by the same process we just looked at for transferring between your own accounts. Within Transactions and History, you'll want to click on M2M Transfer. Go ahead and select the account you'll transfer from and input the amount. If you wish, you can type a description. Then, you'll need to enter info on the account you're transferring to, the account number, the share or loan ID, the type of account, and the first 3 letters of the account owner's last name. Once this is all entered, go ahead and click Submit. You'll see a screen confirming your transaction. For your security, for transfers of a certain size, we will need to send you a secure code by text message or phone call in order to authenticate your transfer. Finally, let's look at making a transfer to an external bank account. To do this, you'll need to click on Manage External Accounts in the Transactions and History window. Type in the bank account number, then select if it's a checking or savings account, and then enter the bank routing number. The account and routing numbers can be found on a check or deposit slip for most accounts. Then click Continue to verify the account you are adding. You will then see a notice that the account is being verified. This will be done by making 2 very small deposits into the account indicated. These deposits can take up to 2 to 5 business days to register with your other institution. After the deposits have been received at the other institution, you'll click on Manage External Accounts in the Transactions and History window. Next, click on the Verify Your Account link that appears under Step 2. Now click the button next to the new account you're trying to add. At the bottom of the page, go ahead and insert the 2 deposit amounts that were sent to your other institution. Click on the Continue button to get your new account added. Once the external account is verified, you can navigate to the Transfer Funds section, where you will see this external account listed. And keep in mind, members must meet qualifications to have access to the external transfer feature. At this point, you will be able to easily transfer money between this external account and your other Robbins financial accounts. And there you have it. You're ready to start transferring money. Thanks for watching. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.